I have noticed ornamental pear trees, Callery pear, around Southern California, especially in the metropolitan Los Angeles, showing signs of spotting and irregular discoloration that leads to death of affected areas. Most trees show about 15 to 20% discoloration symptoms. Is there any way to treat this disease? And this is G. Smith from Los Angeles, California. Yeah, so I think it's interesting that they have a lot of these pears,
Yes.
in the area. And how do you feel about Callery pear?
Well, they are actually banned in certain states because they found out that the seeds that are in the little pears that the birds eat,
Right.
when they pass through their system, they still are viable. But the problem is when they germinate and grow, they revert back to the main species, which is got thorns on it.
Yeah.
And it takes over the native forest. So those have been banned in some parts of the country. So they have their attributes, but there's a lot of parts of the country that they are not welcome in because of their reverting back and taking over native forests.
Yeah. So back to the disease at hand,
yeah.
though. Beautiful pictures, by the way. We appreciate the pictures. Pear leaf rust is what that is. Pear leaf rust. Okay. It's a fungal disease. What that tells me is this: there's some junipers in the area.
Ah, yes.
Right. Because that's the other host plant for the rust disease.
Yeah.
Right. So you either have to get rid of all the junipers, right? Or how about preventative fungicides?
Yeah.
So you probably have to talk to the city, to get their crew out there to do some preventative fungicide spray. Tanil is the recommendation, in this area. It's also the recommendation in that area as well. So I would read and follow the label on that. Yeah, get that to the crews and see if they can take care of that for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.